people. Happy New Week. How not there? Blessful New Week to us all. It's going to be a productive and a stress-free week for us all. Please, my brothers and sisters, welcome Sister Princess. Please, somebody should invite Sister Lolo Anu Ajase. Please invite, share this video to Lolo Anu Ajase. Please, our attention is needed here. Okay? Please share this video to Sister Lolo Anu Ajase. The golden fish I am here. Okay. So Sister Lolo, a lady called me this afternoon. She was crying, begging that I should beg you, for God's sake, you should not play any of her audio anymore. That when she saw you the other day using Bible to swear, calling on your children, your husband, your household, she feels a bitter. That is why she called your live video that now Monica can say you they carry Bible the swear put. So of which you appreciate her by calling in to support you. So after when I don't talk finish, now you can't call her. So you didn't tell her that you be recording her. All the confidential talk when I talk, you don't know, say you will come play them for live video. That is the video. The audio when Lolo play, when I see that audio, I never even listen to them. But I hear say Sister Lolo, somebody wait there, a neighbor to Atuari, ex-neighbor to Atuari for Devata. He called Sister Lolo play her audio, okay? So, and when they talk, she called other people's name that lives in Holland to Devata then. She called other people's name, and when you were playing that audio, those people's name that she called, they are the one now fighting her. She's crying. She's crying. Please, Lolo, you know the pains that you have passed through. You know what it is when the whole world is against you. So she's the all Devata and most of the people that she call her name. That she call her name. Those people they are against her. Even mostly the one that married to a white man. The police called her to come to her house yesterday. They want to know your YouTube channel so that they can bring out that video. Of which she said she don't know how to do it. Please. Mr. Lolo, why are you laughing, Peter? Peter Monojono. It's not a laughing matter. She said that when she heard the way Lolo was using that Bible to curse, so it pains her. And she called Lolo, look, this never can make me laugh, please. Hey. So, because I don't know, you don't know Monica, you know my CP before, and he said, Lolo, when you come Monica's house, you even come our own house. So, you don't tell us say you go play a record, please. Lolo, please. She said you say you get part 2 of the record, you should not play it anymore. Don't cause place from others just because you want to feel good. Everybody will say now, this fight. Now Monica, most everybody go after because Monica not a pity. Whenever you tell Monica may not play audio, then Monica come out for that person. At that time Monica they get power. I so I said she don't see you pity am now. Okay, so she said she called you, may you not play the part 2. Because you still say you want to play, so it's Lolo, please. Oh, please. There's a lady now, a mother, she's crying. Okay. So she's crying. Please, don't let us feel good for ourselves to put place to others. That's why nobody will come out to let us say, that's why I cause pain to them. The people where I don't say I call on, mostly them on the one point. I tell them, say, carry mama there, say, along. Okay, they're going to say, be me. So now make me tell them, say, me, I be humanitarian. I not be talkative, because they say, let her be on say sister beauty. Me no answer my enemy say we be noise maker for social media. Now I tell her say no, my own they're very different. I'm not a social media, talkative. I be talking I do. So Mr. Lolo, please don't play that second audio, please. She said she felt your pains that day. Now I make her come on. So if anybody wants to know about it's a good for her. Look, play the foyer. Yes. Play the foyer. Oh, I'm a warrior. Yes. See erosion. Yes. Don't make me listen good for. It doesn't even shut out to me. Look, come here. I'm the next. Laugh. And when you laugh best. So you think that's you're going to interfere and go. You think that's you're going to interfere and go. One day, the sun is going to touch you. Okay? The sun is going to touch you because before you come be a victim of that person who say was not on the cry that day. They pray, they use Bible, they curse everything, say it touch them. Then make her call Lolo to give us leave that woman now. If you want to know, about Monica, how to hurry to Mesedo, and okay, she will not play. Don't worry, no, stop playing it already. Okay. Since it's in the year now, in part 2, no worry, she don't go play, okay? Because when she cry, come now, so let me say I get authority to command Lolo to what she wants to do. Now that's what people don't know for this social media. We are, you be presenter, you be commenter, you be followers, you be follow. None of us get right against this. It's just an advice, okay? It's just an advice, not one. But some people say because they're autistic because they be your fans. Some people are autistic because they support you. They have the right to command you. No. When you talk to somebody when you they follow, or your presenter, co-presenter like you, make it be old presenter, a new presenter. When you talk to them, the way they understand. Because see, say, oh, fine. But if she can't report Sister Lolo to me, she still not say maybe of the way we see the way we take handle this case. Ever since I know they bias, okay? So if you want to know about Lolo and Jumezedo, Skiminia, just the back, I want to watch the video we do for Mama Gladys. So then I got on reality TV. When I go watch her from my YouTube channel, every channel here. When I watch her from number 1 for the first minute to the last minute. That is how you will understand it. If they cut down, you don't understand how to take around there. Okay? Because before A, before E, there was D, C, B, A. The same thing before 10. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if you want to understand everything, as I tell analyze her from the starting to the ending, go to my YouTube channel, Mama Gladys Reality TV. I will show her for this video, for this channel. Just click it, you will hear everything. As I don't pack Monica destroy many people reputation for this social media. I think this one don't give it to me, don't listen. And other people when the teacher they go hide. The teacher they go hide for Monica back. The short person. Say yes, hey, deal with her, hey. I'll bring this thing for you. When the East go call and all Monica go face her now. That's why you have to know what to present on your platform. Make one person come tell you say, you can't take like this. I hate Lolo. I hate this one. They just okay, come, you can come give you come give you a story about her. the truth or lie, you go for yes, so I have the information, I have the audio, now my answer there, yes, now your answer there they come give you, now your answer there they come give you. By the time when the it's gonna come, when that person will come after you, when that person will come after you, the person will say, when you come carry the matter, come give you, why me here? Now you and your family, your husband, your children, you're all from your A to Z. Now that presenter come to the 2 feet to call the insult. But the person will come give you message, only we are that only give me only. You're gonna take a look. No, just want to tell me the story. You know she don't even come out to support you anymore. If it was Monica, she would not pity her. But Lolo, I'm asked to feed for people, but not. Now me at the talk, so that's why she get that. That's why she still get this kit like that. Okay. Who is Lolo? I know I just say West, and you just say no, good. Okay. So maybe we'll take her easy, I beg. So if you want to know everything about Dumezedo, Monica, everything, all the videos, I've leave all the message, they go and watch it. So make we everybody from now, everybody might be business. I think this one will be less now. To the coming up presenter, the host presenter. If person carry another person matter, come give us. Let us handle it. Even though say we know some nothing they come, you say now. I'm supposed to call only for private and say, look, oh, somebody can report you. No say report you, say make I beg you. So I don't say if I call them, you go record me. So for me to record her, or for she to record me, and we are just taking the same now, you're going to send the message. For where do Messiah don't consider the record? The you people should leave Lolo alone, okay? She's not playing any audio. If you're a ticket, who call you, is that how to talk? If you're a ticket, is that how to talk? Eh? You people should leave Lolo alone. Do you hear are you the one that spoke with this woman or speak with this woman? Do you know the cry she cried when she was talking to me? Eh? Please. Eh? You look at not the way me I call her now. She never respond to me when we are responding rudely now. People should leave her alone. It's not so. Thank you, Minera call her. So while I will see our commenters in the streets. Commenters in the streets. You see how when Dumezedo was enjoying. When Monica was discovering who put right there for the beautiful message when Munera called her right. How did right there, Marina? Tell me. Who put right there make a block out? Anyone here? All I want to go walk, come on and leave me. Yeah. Who they put her take you don't come on the right there. I love you. That's true now. I'm a beautiful woman with a beautiful heart and a wisdom. So, when Dumezedo was enjoying the discovery of the skin here and the bagua. Okay, man, I need to comment. Okay. When he was enjoying it that year, he was saying, be the boss. He was saying, see me here, that's the bagua. I tell her, say, I go deal with you now. Oh, look at now, they are doing to you people. They are showing your cassava all over the world. Excuse me here, the Monica was Syrian. Julius Sylvester, stop it. Why you the woman, no contact carry the truth out. Don't say that. Okay. Okay. Nah, even though say that the whole truth today, but you don't involve somebody. Betty Cabot now. She's not free now. She's crying. She has a husband and children. Okay. I know she's talking to Lolo. Okay. So not to say that the truth. Everybody know the truth about Monica actually. So if the woman say not play part 2, she should not play it. Make you don't worry. Monica pretty camera for Babana. For Babana at all. You not go finish now. The people where she don't not back her, they are still coming for her. I just made this one come up for grants. She go say fall for another trap. I didn't see for no apple at all now. He just said they leave he just said they leave a pastor. Return back to sender. He just said they leave pastor, return back to sender, make he do his work where God will call him. Yes, so I'm not causing ourselves here now. Maybe they not be everywhere they could cause ourselves now. Yeah, presenter. So see now. So you say yeah, presenter, you greet Mama Gladys. Oh, mommy, I don't be presenter. Thank you. When the woman knew she can't defend it, she not be say she not fit defend them alone. Mr. Yinka. It's not that she cannot defend it. Okay, everything what she said not be say she not fit defend them, but the names of the people that is involved, that is where she got a problem. Okay? That is where she got a problem, because those people that is involved, the names of the people where she called, those people don't support that name, don't supposed to be heard inside this audio. Okay? So it's not that everything when she talks, she go see Monica, she go talk, say that lie. No, not gonna lie. Can you accept what you don't do? Because people are okay to say the woman not come call her Muko. Okay, come with this car park. Okay, to say the woman not come call her no, no say go get her, not do that kind of thing. Okay, not do that kind of thing. Next time we want him go to cry. We're going to look for some people who will support us with truth. They don't come. So this is not because of the Bible where carry the because I'm making enter. Okay, so we will take her like that. So as I was saying, when you saw the sweet Papa Waila, I'm married okay, Angie. No. You must visit everybody. Now, yeah. If you enter and go after out your hand, all presenters they must receive. all those wicked fake accounts they must find out of them. All those fake supporters they got all everybody must receive except all of us pray for peace. Okay, commenters we dey very good now. Okay. I don't want to fight again. Let peace reign. We need justice so that this matter. And now, wait. Everybody, nobody is a baby. All of us are seeking justice in this matter. Papa Waila have come out to admit waiting Monica talk. Okay. They say J-boy is able when he's small. This, that. What you pass that from my sister? If you say J-boy is able when he's small, what you want you make her just an apple now? Are you a baby? You're not a baby now. So maybe we exercise special. Monica na guna for no. And I thought this one they finish for story. Oha, no be Oha. She must jump on that best way go bring that now. And if that you go still do same for okay. My record, yes, now I get no. Listen, okay, like the one where I thought say how Monica take thief that identity, that name. I get the record now. Okay, I get the record. But the woman called me yesterday, they begged me, say, Mama, beg. No play that record. Okay. You see me, I not play that record. Monica, I don't know when you had I still give her the usher, say, I'm not going to play him. I'm not going to play the record now. For some reason. But if Monica, if you go beyond Alain, if she not by herself tell the followers, her fans, how she tested that identity, Monica, as she still shine your shine. You see shine. When she give herself shine your shine, she still that she wants to that identity from shine because anything when Monica they're jealous of, she must give her to herself. Huh? Okay? But not say Monica, they steal people identity. So I tell the woman, say, I'm not going to play the record. But if she go beyond that, this thing, the people will not know. He said, because nobody will not know how that identity take on Monica. Now, love it, a dog below to her in every name. But that identity, somebody give her a document. So, at this audio, another person, or the third person, or the most fourth person there. But the one we're there with Lolo, another people named there. Okay? And one of them now, I say one of them, Mado Ibo, that one, Yoibo and police, they come at our house yesterday. Make it show them Lolo YouTube channel. They want to investigate the video. So she don't tell them, say she don't know how to do it. That's okay, it's okay. But if she sister Lolo not play the second part again, I think everywhere go cool. Her husband don't shout for her family don't almost say against her. You know, there is you see her now. How much more say we were there inside for the past many years? Oh, take them easy. Anybody can matter, come give yourself, come talk about yourself. You feel put your platform for now. But they go yell out for his mouth. Oh, no, can another person matter? There's no time I take them. And because of humanity, when you might tell everybody they do it, see whether they cry come. Because I hate injustice. But it's okay. It's okay. Okay, now my people. No more than leave the children out of it. You may go slow. I'm a flazy. Come here, help me ask him. Help me ask him. Why I go give her daughter that name? Kai. God forbid. Someone to a trainer FFF work, born at that from social media. All this atrocity, full grants. Monica, that from social media. Forbid. Take it easy, man. Take it easy. I think Papa Wailana, you will mind your business. Stop supporting evil. That personality disorder where they worry on the moon. They will do other good things, maybe pretend no, not be bad thing. Okay? If you want to be the only person where they go know for the whole world, then you do something like Dangote, like Igbenetio. Not be to look for one bring your fellow man down. And to say, okay, if they don't bring her down, you will come the rain. No, it never lasts for long. Okay, and nemesis, Kama. They say Kama is a bitch. She's not a bitch. We will visit you. Which can regret? I was enjoying it. That's why I go watch the video for my YouTube. I said with Papa Obala yesterday. He was enjoying it. Which can say regret? Papa Obala is an evil man. It's an evil man. It's an evil man. It's about your story, eh? He was enjoying it. No, yes, Monica come out to say sorry to Skiminya or to Destiny Bagua. 2 months ago, I don't see come out to talk to Destiny Bagua again. Papa Wala with Monica, they have a personality disorder, eh? They want to be seen now, let them. Others want to under them. So, the world is not like that. I'm always social media. I don't need to fill your phone. You don't need to fill my phone when I come out. Do what I want to. So how do you think that you will lead me? You do your, if you are leading, lead on your own way. Don't come and say you're there for social media. Now me first come. Who they come after me, not go see me a hater. Now me first start the hook up. who they come on do complex and not go see chance enter. All those things have to stop. Like me now, let me first start a foundation. Person wants start foundation tomorrow, you're going to fight them. No. The people won't make me to fight people. They'll consider they'll donate for you. Before you hear it, I'll go the other side. That was at the starting. I said, why do you come to me that want to donate? The later you come for what you say want to donate, you cannot go the other side. So that was how they wanted me to be fighting people who want to do for foundation. I tell me I tell you their strategy, I cut them out. That's enough you can give me because they follow me. That is how they bring one they do to fight others. If you don't have that brain, don't have that wisdom, evil people, they would like to drag you out of your call. You know, because will stand for me. You know, because will stand for me. They don't drag me come up from my call now first in humanitarian. Let not be wisdom when God give me. Must see these people when they say we love you. Look at that evil woman now, evil sister. They say she be my enemy and that hard fan. No, say that hard hater. You see, you know, because we give me that wisdom we take. Follow all of them. My enemy for them for granted they do this thing. So silent is banned. We are welcome up here. So my people, may we let love reign, Please find your hearts ahead this evening on our Mama Classes, our YouTube channel. When I see Tumiche and that woman, they say they're not going to forgive her. Jesus. All pastors, everybody is coming after Etumiche and say, everybody is coming after Etumiche and say, why not forgive her, Jesus? Except you are not in that shoe, okay, of waiting to Etumiche pass that very time. When I thought, say, Mama, forgive Monica. Forgive Monica. Forgive Monica. But they never start, Monica, social media never start to insult you now. Most of people, they say forgive. They don't go to carry juju for calling their names. They don't know to say they carry their family. You they talk of forgive, you know where they talk so? That's what I'm talking. You see, when Esther, they insult my enemy last year, I still give her back. But when I'm not going to hear my name from Esther's mouth, when this Esther happened a month ago, you hear say I talk about them. You just are not be sit there and put my own opinion. Or when Sister Jore and Sister Kuyo happened, just I don't get talk to talk. But not because they never proposed for my matter anyhow. But Monica, she still insult my enemy. Till January here, happy February. Huh? And I do my prayer chant and say, the Lord is my refuge instead of refuge. This evil woman, he cannot go in 1,000 of laugh this thing. He say they do 1,000 of laugh. They say to mock my mistake about it told me to say refuge. He can't enter refuge. All the way to disorganize my this thing. Because he with a woman walk on the read Bible where won't cause stress for the head. So it's not good. Just because you want to do what that person they do, you know see where to enter. We won't go discredit that person. I mean I don't know that year when she they cry, said she know they cook. She not feel cook. I don't have the time to cook. But she never reached a Holland the other day. She done the quick they never offload a bag offload this thing from carton. You don't enter kitchen, they chop up and down. So you love what I was doing. I mean, they talk, you cannot have what, if you hate what you love, you can never get it. You can never get it. God will never give it to you. And when you force yourself to have it, it will be pains. Sorrow must follow him. Okay? Sorrow must follow him if you force yourself to carry it. So if you love what you see, God will give it to you. Or if you don't even just like that person, go away. Okay? And if she's sick inside, we'll go tell her, say, let she go sick. Everybody get your sickness, okay? So may go feast, may go meet doctor. She don't feel put her depression for other people's body. Likewise, like Numezedo. So my people, also we talk and reach. I don't reach work. One of keep us together. She not get shaking that time. She's kissing, okay, kissing or shaking. So my people, see you guys. We'll talk about Ada Jesus. Say native daughter, forgive Ada Jesus. The person who say be man of God, he say no go forgive. So do you know what is persecuting the Boski? We dey miss Melissa, oh yes. We are missing Melissa. Melissa, where you there? I talked about it last night, oh. Okay. Melissa, just say hello to us now. Go to your topic before. Melissa, the Indamoski, the liquid metal. We love you, we love you, we love you. Okay, my people, wash out, bye-bye.